Imagine waking up in the morning and your phone is not there. No buzzing, no notifications, no social media, no endless scrolling. How would your day look? Would you feel free or would you feel lost? Today, I want to share a simple but powerful experiment, a day without a phone, and how this one change can help you use technology smartly, build success, and even improve your English learning. The problem, let's be honest, our phones are not just tools anymore. They are alarms, calendars, entertainment, connection, and distraction all in one. We check them first thing in the morning and last thing before sleep. Studies show that an average person touches their phone more than 2,500 times a day. But here is the truth. The phone is not bad. The problem is how we use it. It can be a tool for growth or a trap for wasted experiment. No phone day, so I decided to try one full day without a phone. No calls, no messages, no apps, no internet, only me, my thoughts, and the real world. At first, it was strange. I reached for my pocket every few minutes. I felt nervous, like I had lost something important. But then, something amazing happened. Morning without a phone, the morning felt slower. I made breakfast without watching videos. I listened to the sound of the birds outside. I wrote my thoughts in a notebook for the first time in a long time. My mind felt clear. I realized that phones don't just take time, they take focus. Work and study without a phone next. I started working. No phone meant no distractions, no messages popping up, no social media, no news. I finished tasks in half the time. What usually took me 3 hours, I did in 1. That is the power of deep focus. Phones don't just eat minutes, they eat concentration. And if you are learning English or studying anything, this is powerful. Without a phone, your brain stays with the book, with the video, with the words. You remember more, you understand more, you grow faster. Afternoon, real connections in the afternoon. I met people, friends, family, even strangers. This time, I looked at them, I listened. I was not half in the conversation and half in my phone, and I saw something shocking. Most of them were still trapped, eyes on screens, not on life. I realized real success is not only money, not only work, it is connection, and phones often steal that from us. Evening, creativity and peace. As evening came, I felt different. No phone meant no endless scrolling before bed. Instead, I read a book. I wrote down ideas for my goals. I even practiced English sentences out loud. The silence felt strange at first, but soon it felt peaceful, like my brain had space to breathe again. After one day without a phone, here is what I learned. Number 1, we don't need to check everything all the time. Number 2, focus is more powerful than multitasking. Number 3, real conversations beat digital ones. And number 4, success needs balance, not distraction. So, should you throw away your phone? No, of course not. Your phone can be the most powerful tool in your life. You can use it for learning, for business, for growth. But the key is this: use the phone. Don't let the phone use you. Imagine if you cut your phone use by just 1 hour a day. That's 365 hours in a year. That's more than 15 full days. 15 days you could use to learn English, build a business, or create something new. Small changes create big results. Greatness is not built in one step. It is built in small daily choices. So my challenge to you is simple. Try 1 hour or 1 day without your phone. Use that time to focus, to grow, to learn. You will feel stronger, smarter, freer. At the end of my experiment, I turned my phone back on. The world was still there, the messages, the apps, the news, but I was not the same. I had discovered a secret, that true success is not about being connected to everything. It is about being connected to yourself, your goals, your purpose. So remember this, use your phone smartly, use it wisely, make it your tool, not your master, because your future is too valuable to be lost in endless scrolling. Stay focused, stay strong, and keep learning, because success is waiting for you, not inside your phone, but inside your actions.